Hi, this is Fahim. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why you should choose YouTube marketing over blogging. I'll be absolutely transparent with you and share with you from my own experience. Before everything, I have a small request to make. If you are watching this video on my YouTube channel and haven't subscribed it yet, please hit that subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon. And if you're watching on Instagram or Facebook, make sure you connect with me and follow my Instagram profile. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into the topic. Four reasons why I choose YouTube marketing over blogging. If you are someone who wants to start your affiliate marketing journey, wondering blindly, don't know where to begin, don't know which strategy to adopt, this video is going to be something very beneficial to you. Make sure you watch it until the end. Okay, so to understand this topic, I'd like to share with you my experience. I started as a full-time online marketer 5 years ago. When I started, I didn't know where to begin. I only knew one strategy, which is blogging. I didn't know that there are so many other strategies that I could implement and make money. Okay, so as a newbie, I didn't know any other strategy other than blogging. So only thing that I knew was that I will create a blog and I will publish a blog post and put affiliate links into the blog post and do some marketing of it. And whenever people visit my blog, read that article and click on those links, and after that buy the product, I will make money. So that was my full and whole understanding of affiliate marketing. And unfortunately, I did not have a mentor, someone who would guide me. That is why this single mistake, I'd call it a mistake, because blogging wasn't really for me. It took me 2 years of valuable time from my life and a lot of investment from me. So it is up to you to choose whatever platform you want, but I will share my honest experience with you. Okay, the first reason why you should choose YouTube over blogging is that YouTube is free, but blogging needs a lot of investment. You know, if you want to create a blog, first of all you have to buy a domain, and then you have to buy a hosting. And if you are not someone experienced in web development or website design, you need to hire someone from Fiverr or any other freelance platform. So you need to hire someone who will create that blog for you. And yeah, after that, when your blog is ready, you need to hire someone who would write articles for you if you are not an article writer then. Okay, and even if you are an article writer, it's gonna take quite a few days to finish an article. For example, let's say it takes around 7 days for you to write the article. And if you want to do it by yourself, let's say you publish one article in a week, that means you can only publish 4 articles in a month, which is not really so good, because you need to publish contents more and more often, at least one content every day. So in this case, YouTube is great because it's completely free. YouTube will not charge you any money for using their platform. You can just create a channel for free, and you can upload your contents immediately. Okay, so this was the first reason why I would recommend you to choose YouTube over blogging, because YouTube is free. That was the first point. And the second point is YouTube will distribute your contents for you. Okay, you don't have to spend a lot of money on marketing or ads, okay? And they'll do it for free. They will distribute your content everywhere. Only if the content is good, engaging, and people, if they like it, YouTube will distribute it everywhere. So third point is, you can upload more on YouTube than blog, okay? If you are someone who wants to create a long lasting career as an affiliate marketer, want to want to earn decent amount of money online every month, you need to publish contents every single day. I repeat, every single day, because content publishing is very very important. The more contents you publish, the more subscribers you will get, and the more money you make. This is as simple as this, okay? If you are someone like me who had no money to hire an article writer, you need to write your articles by yourself. And to rank in Google's first page, or for SEO, you need to write engaging articles, and the article length should be 2500 words to 3000 words, or 3500 words. I mean, the articles should be detailed, and it should be around 3000 words. So if you want to write a 3000 word article, you need to do a lot of research, and you need to write it, and it's gonna take at least 7 days for you to write that article, okay? If you are not that expert, okay? It will take, for someone new to intermediate or average person, it usually takes 7 days to write an article for 3000 words, okay? That's not all. When you write the article, you need to publish it. You need to publish it in your blog, and for that you need some designs, okay? And it's gonna take at least 1 week for you to publish one article. That means you can publish 4 articles in a month. But in YouTube, it's not going to take as much time as it takes for writing articles, okay? It's gonna be very very time efficient, because when you have something to create, when you have a content idea, just shoot your video and do it, okay? And it's not gonna take as much time as it takes in blogging. So that was my third point. Third reason, final reason, is that you will get reach organically, okay? For blog posts, the only way to get organic traffic is SEO, and SEO is not an easy thing, for me as a blogger, when I started, I had no idea how to create a website, and about article writing, about SEO. So it took me 3-4 months to develop the website, because I knew nothing about it. I was constantly learning from YouTube, and finally after 3 months I developed that blog. And I did not have a lot of money to hire a web developer to create the website. I did not have money to hire a search engine optimizer or article writer. So I was doing everything by myself, and after 3 months there was another challenge, which was article writing, because I knew nothing about it. So I immediately started learning article writing, and after 1 or 2 months I was good at it, and I started writing articles. And then there was another problem, which was search engine optimization, because to really stand out, to really get lots of visitors in my blog for free, I have to rank my blog in Google's first or second page. So that was I knew nothing about SEO, so I took a course on SEO, and it took me 2 months to learn it and then implement. So as a one-man business, as a work from home entrepreneur, blogging wasn't really my thing. So if you choose YouTube instead, it would distribute your contents everywhere, and you will get organic reach very fast, and you will get engagement, and as a result you will get more subscribers and you will make more money. So that was my suggestion, guys. If you are someone new who wants to learn affiliate marketing and make money online, I'm the guy you need to connect with. Hit that subscribe button now or follow me on Instagram, and let's talk, okay? And I'll really try to help you out. So guys, this is it for today. I'll come up with another important topic in the next video, and see you. Until then, be safe and be good.